So Bally he get a leg sick, yeah, pain because of chocolate last night. They fight each other. Yeah, they fight each other because of the female, golden female. Yeah, they just stay in front of the house, you know, during the night times. Sorry that we don't take any videos of this. You can see the swollen leg. See? Yes, swollen. Last night they bite. Yes, they bite each other. Chocolate and Bally. Yeah. Now Bally is like, you know, Bally is not the losers, but now he get a bit painful because he's young. He's young, yes. And Chocolate is very old. Chocolate already 5 years old, I think. This one is just 2 years old, so this might be different. How he hurt. Yeah, he cannot control himself. But you know, he's stronger than Chocolate last night. He bite very strong. With that, I do not want them to fight, but you know, it's a story of them, you know. It's a story of love for both of them. Bally also fall in love because of that, and Chocolate also. So how can you have, you know? It's nature, so you know, just let them do it. Yeah. Because this fight is not a fight because of light, because of a lady. Now he have a swollen leg. Yes, you see that? Yeah, very swollen. A bit painful, I can say that, because last night strong fight. And now, as I show you in the first video with the Chocolate with another female dog, they still, like, you know, started the breeding, yes, something like that, and Bally just stay away from it, yes, because he very painful to the leg, yes. How tired he is, right? How tired he is, yes. Sorry about this, right? Bally, you alright? Bally? 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 He's very like a lazy boy, you know, lazy boy. He doesn't want the answers and just shake a like ear, his ear, yes. Yeah. So Bally, how's your leg? Huh? How's your front leg? Front left leg. How's your front left leg, huh? You alright? It's very painful. Okay. It's the painful. Can you walk, Bally? Can you show me how hard it is, right? You see all his body full of, you know, full of fight. Yeah. See? Yes. See? Whoa. This is how they fight. Your rice.